Yeah, hi all. I want to share with you how to check the status of your OCI card because there is a lot of miscommunication and the wrong information out there. So you all would have received the VFS email like this, which has a tracking ID. It starts with USA and then there are some other alphabets which I have removed. But you would have got a similar email. And then it mentions you to visit that site or that link to track the status of your application. So let's do that. What I will do is I'll either click on the same link there, or what I'll do is I'll go to the Google, and once Google opens, I'll search like USA OCI VFS track. I'll click on the first link here and I'll scroll all the way down. Click on track now and scroll all the way down. Click on track application. Now here I'll put the application reference number, which is the same tracking number which VFS provided us. And then I'll put the date of birth of the applicant. And then I'm clicking on I'm not a robot, clicking on submit. It will display a one-liner answer. Now we'll go to later stage what that answer looks like. But what I'm suggesting here is if you go to OCIServices.gov.in, which is the government site, this is more accurate than VFS. Now we can click on close here, click on close, click here to proceed, and go to the status and query option, which is the second last. If you click on it and then click on proceed, you have to enter the passport number of the applicant and the file reference number, which is the same number which VFS provided. Once you do it and enter the number which is at the bottom and click on the status, it will give you a detailed status of your OCI. If you don't remember file reference, click on forget, then put the date of birth and the passport number and this number, then it will tell you what your reference number is in case you deleted that email or any other cases. Now let's see how it looks for me. For the VFS site, it's telling me from a 1 month that your application has reached the embassy. That's what you see in yellow. From 1 month, it's the same status. Well, now today I discovered that there is another site, OCI Services, and when I put my details there, it shows me the every minute detail, like when it was acknowledged, when it was printed, what's the OCI number, when it was dispatched, and when it has been received in Houston. So this is more accurate than the VFS. So don't follow that email which tells you to track it on VFS site, but follow the OCI Services website. Thanks.